Good morning, everybody. It's currently 8:08 a.m. Still with this FTMO challenge, or the verification part of it. Really quick before we get started, I do want to say that mistakes were made last night. Mistakes were made yesterday after I stopped recording. I did take 3 more trades. I lost 2 of them pretty bad. And then this third one right here, I do have screen recordings on my phone. I wasn't on my computer at the time. I was up like $2,100, right? I was up $2,100. All I was missing was like $500 to complete the verification. I got greedy. I was aiming for those extra $500, put my stops at break even, let it hit my stop loss when I could have just took my profits and dipped. Price ended up just reversing the complete opposite way and stopped me out break even at $300. I'm not upset about it. It is, you know, I took it as a learning opportunity to take profits at all times, right? So it doesn't matter how big your take profit is, how big your stop loss is, you should always take profits, you should always pay yourself, and you should always protect the trade. So back to this really quick. Trade currently did just activate. I had a set limit right here, sell limit for 2 lots. Stop loss is going to be just above here for about $400. Down here, TP is about 2,000. Obviously, we're going to monitor it to make sure it goes the way we want it to go. Overall, on NAS, I do see it bearish today. Ooh, I wanted to zoom in. Let me delete this fib. I do see it going bearish today just because yesterday's daily candle, it did open below, obviously open below the previous lows, kept pushing down, and then eventually it did close bullish. However, I do feel like price is going to come in and fill this area right here where I have this box. So that is something I'm going to be looking at. I don't believe it's going to do it today, but I do believe that within the next few days, maybe week, price is going to fill this area here. So for the meantime, I am going to be bearish until I see some other indication as to why we could potentially not be. So that's the trade right now. We're just going to let it do its thing. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I will be taking somewhat of profits, maybe around here. That seems like a good area. Let me see. So 61 pips, I think that'd be good. So for now, I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and I'll come back a little bit later. All right, peace. Hey guys, just a quick little update. Currently up 21 pips. Price is reacting off of the area where I wanted it to react pretty nicely. We are going to continue to monitor it because, again, I do want to take some profits when it gets to this blue line here. We are on the 5-minute chart too. That's why you see multiple candles, but I did take my entry and my analysis and everything on the 15-minute. So yeah, I just like looking at the lower level time frames while I'm in the trade if I do it based off of a higher level time frame, just because you know, lower levels tell you a lot more than the higher ones. So if you see market start to, you know, break structure on the lower levels or shift the market in a certain direction, it'll kind of give you a little heads up that, you know, potentially is going to do it on the higher level as well. So that's what I like looking for here. And yeah, we'll be back in a little bit again.